Okay, Dave here playing the new X-Men with the new code I put in last night. Got some few changes in there. More music, more light shows. Something I don't like, when your ball ends, it has this stupid little I don't know, synthesizer, zing ding, zap zap or something like that. I don't know, but it used to have
I'll play a little solitaire.
Really nice bass to it, which was nice, because I got a good system in here to pin woofer, and boy did that sound good when your ball ended. Now it sounds stupid, so that was something they shouldn't have touched, but here we go. Plunger's all fixed, except for auto plunger. I put a bigger coil in there, and that didn't fix the problem, so I'm going to have to re-engineer something. Probably a little swing arm or something. And now this is pretty cool, because every time you hit that, the shaker motor moves a little bit.
The only way to protect the Institute is to defeat
Now it's harder to beat Juggernaut here.
Juggernaut, the X-Men won't let you destroy the mansion.
And you don't want to hear all that, you just hit the two switches. So that's pretty cool.
Warning, unit under attack. Countermeasures enabled.
Lots of good light show going on right there.
Professor, his helmet is off.
More talking going on. Got lucky on that shot.
You are commanded to report for internal processing.
Got the multi-ball here.
Weapon systems malfunction.
That's pretty cool.
Damn it, is ready.
Whoa.
Bishop is ready.
I gotta hold that down and have Bishop fire.
Firing. That's how it's done. Together, we managed to stop the unstoppable.
This job, we got for you.
Ah, jeez. There we go.
At 90%. Armor integrity at 80%. Team, we've got a mission.
All right. Now, like two. Let's go with the. Let's see. Let's go with this one. Try to get through so we can get to the dark side. And just hit the two buttons to get through all that stuff here. Get right down to it.
Words, no?
Combo!
Splendid work indeed. Saving people is what the X-Men are.
Come on.
Meet me at Cerebro. Your
That's
assistance
good.
here has been well
Try to
documented.
get up there. Right there.
Some damage control function. Surrender mutants or face immediate termination.
All targets destroyed.
Come on.
Cerebro is powered up. Now watch this.
Bishop is ready for you.
Hit the red button and Bishop aboard. Oh.
Evacuate the danger room.
Training is available at the
All
danger
right,
room.
good stuff.
To me, my X-Men.
Ah, jeez, two balls down at once.
Double your
But
hands
in my opinion, too many multi-balls. But it goes fast. The auto plunge having a hard time.
4, 3. Not too bad. I am already there.
All phases through here.
Darn it.
And we are
Whoa, look at that.
We must bridge the divide between mutants and humans.
I do not like having a lot of multi-balls. So then you get bored with the game.
I'm the best there is.
Alright,
So what
let's
I
see if I can
do,
get this.
what I do isn't very nice.
I can never get that darn thing. It's time, so time's off already. You pretty much only get one opportunity to get it, and then you gotta hit the head.
Beast's lab is ready.
Ah, jeez. See, this noise I don't like. Before it's really deep bass.
Unit shutdown in progress.
Alright. Watch my perfect ball plunge here with my spring and the way I cut the housing on the middle and redid everything. Speeds through there. Would have been nice
Observe one of my most
they figured
prodigious
it out.
contributions. Let's get moving, X-Men.
Alright, we're gonna finish that one. Bing. Let you watch this whole thing here. Alright, here we
Look
go.
what we have here.
Here we go.
That'll seal the deal. Another member
Now,
of
if you
the
did that
team
right in
is
a row
saved.
with another
I'll
one,
sneak right by them.
the dark side will come out.
My claws will make the door out of this wall.
There it is.
Welcome to the 21st century.
Now the whole game goes dim. Should have had the light shut off and all this. So it's pretty dark in this mode. Here, I'm gonna hurry up and shut the light off so we can see. Alright, there's how it looks.
We have to get out of the city.
Alright, here we go.
Gambit's giving all he got left, mon ami.
Pretty hard to see. Really not hitting nothing. Oh, come on. Alright, get another ball.
Protecting you is my task.
I want to do pretty good on this one so I can show you. Ah, darn it.
Rotating spinner destroyed.
Not doing too good here. Darn it. Alright, that was no good. There that noise, I don't like it.
Power reroute failed.
It just took away all the bass, which is pretty disappointing. That was like really bassy.
Match.
But alright,
We
that's
must
a
not give
pretty
up.
decent
There is
gameplay
always
there.
hope to change the future.
Alright. Well, that's the new code. And that's about it. Till the next time, Dave out.